Welcome to my YouTube. Consider hitting that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be creating a look using my brand new Morphe 39A palette. I'm so excited. She is beautiful. Such a gorgeous palette. You guys remember I said that this palette was more my speed in my most recent Morphe haul video. And so I just went ahead and broke down and got it, guys. I know I said that I probably wasn't going to buy any more eyeshadow palettes. But this is makeup. You can't hold me to something like that. And if you're wondering what you see on my shirt, these are just beautiful eyelashes. I got this from GNARLY on Instagram. I just thought it was really cute. It's very comfy, kind of stretchy material. I'm gonna link their website below. And if you use the code that I'm gonna link below, you'll get 30% off. Thank you, girl, later. This is the only clothing from their store that I have purchased. The only thing that I can say is it took a really long time to come. It was shipping from China. I think I had to wait about 3 weeks. But if you're okay with that, then it's all good. Let's go ahead and get into this palette. And today I'm thinking I want to work with these blue colors here. I really love, when I saw this palette, I was really in love with these shades here, as well as this red shade and even these burgundies. You guys know that I draw to burgundies and this black even. I feel like a lot of palettes lately have not been including a black, so I love that this palette comes with a black. Today I'm going to be working with these shades here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to create some type of look using these shades. So first I'm going to go ahead and start on brows. Brows is always the first thing that I do whenever I start my looks. I feel like most people do their brows off camera, but I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. But this isn't the first time. You guys see me do my brows on camera before. I'm going to start off using the Morphe brow setting gel. So yeah, I'm really excited about this new filming space. If you guys haven't seen my closet tour, I did a tour of the smallest beauty closet ever. I'll link that above if you haven't seen it. But if you see it, it's almost kind of laughable. It's like, how did this girl go and take a clothing closet and call it a beauty room? Okay, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. That is what I had to work with, so that is what I use, and it worked for me for 4 months. I mean, guys, I started my YouTube channel 4 months ago. I've shot 78 videos, and I've shot every single one of those videos in that closet. Aside from the, I think, 4 vlog videos and maybe 4 or 5 cooking videos that I've shot, every other video has been filmed in that closet. So don't hate. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow definer, and this is in the color 315 deep brown. I'm just going to go in and fill in these brows, honey. I'm going to use my favorite eyebrow brush, which is the Morphe M158 dual-ended brush. It's got a spoolie on one end and an angled eyebrow brush on the other end. I'm just going to take that and begin to fill in these brows. You are so weird. Now I'm going to clean up my brows, and I'm going to be using the NYX Gotcha Covered, and this is waterproof concealer in Golden Doré. I never get that word. And I'm just going to take an angled brush. I think this one's by Wet n Wild. I don't know, because I've used it so much that the name has rubbed off. I'm just going to go in and clean up those brows. Now I'm going to take the Morphe blending sponge, and I'm just going to take the pointed end and blend out this concealer. Now this is a damp sponge. So that is my brows. Of course, they're not exactly identical, but like one of my favorite YouTubers says, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, which is Miss Adrienne Houghton from The Real. So if they're not identical, but they look good, I keep it pushing. Moving right along, I'm going to use my Morphe eyelid primer. I'm going to just take a flat brush. This is by the Crayon Case, and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe 39A palette. And again, I'm going to be playing with these colors here. Pretty much all shimmers, I think, but this one is a beautiful matte, and I really want to do something with that color. I think it's gorgeous. Grab my Morphe E27 blender. You guys know that I love this brush to go in with my transition shade, and today I want to kind of go in with something that stands out among my shade, and so I think I'm gonna do this one here, and this color is called Sculpt. I pick that up on my brush. I think now I want to go in with, I'm going to go ahead and just go for it. I'm going to go right in with this very dark blue shade, and this is called Indigo, and I'm using the JH31, picking up that color. I'm going to go into my crease with this shade. I'm gonna This palette is so big and awesome. Like when I'm working with it, I honestly feel like an artist. It feels like, you know, a paint palette. I feel like I'm the painter. The possibilities are just endless. Anywho, I'm gonna pick up my Morphe E27 again. I'm not gonna pick up any more product because I still have a little bit left on this brush, but I'm gonna use it to blend out that blue because it is really harsh color and I don't wanna have any funky looking mess going on. Okay, I am gonna go back in with this Sculpt color and just kind of clean up this blue line up top here. I'm now going to take this beautiful blue color here. This is called Cobalt Blue and it's a shimmer. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill JH41. I'm going to douse it in a little bit of e.l.f. misting spray. I know a lot of people use MAC Fix Plus, but I don't have any MAC Fix Plus, so I'm just going to use my e.l.f. misting spray. Go in with that color all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful black color here. It's called Muse. I'm gonna use this Luxie 121 mint tapered brush here. I'm using this because it's a small brush. I'm just gonna pick very little up and go in right here on my outer V. I'm gonna blend out with my E27 again. Again, I'm not gonna pick up any product. I'm just going to take it and blend out. I'm gonna use the JH40 and I'm going to take a little bit of that indigo blue and go right in my lower lash. Okay, we have a huge problem going on. Don't mind her. I'm gonna blend her out. Why didn't y'all say something?
We interrupt this broadcast for an emergency. The channel you have been watching will be back momentarily.
Back to our regular scheduled program. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. black liquid liner and I'm just going to line my eyes. I'm gonna take the Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara. Since this palette doesn't have any highlighting colors in it, I'm going to take the Morphe Stellar Impact 8S highlighting palette and the Morphe E35 brush. I'm going to pick up the color Galactic, which is this pretty shade here. And I'm going to go in on my highlighting area with that shade. Now I'm going to go in with my lashes, and today I'm going to be using the Morphe Total Babe lash. I'm going to use the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive in the dark tone color. This is my favorite lash glue. I've tried other glues and they don't. But this one, I've been using it for years and it works so well. If you know the better lash glue than Duo, let me know, please. Always down for trying new stuff, but I'm like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? This one ain't broke. If my lash glue has dried a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and place I'm going to take an eyelash applicator and go in on the middle. I'm going to take this eyelash curler and I'm going to just curl these lashes just a tad. I'm going to take this Drugstore blue glittering star eyeliner. I got this in one of my subscription boxes. It is this beautiful glittery black eyeliner. You can see the glitter in the eyeliner. It's so pretty. So here we have the completed look. As far as the 39A palette, you guys know that I love that palette, and so it's no surprise that I love the eyelid colors that are going on here, and I can't wait to try more of that palette. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any other suggestions or things that you would like to see, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.